Hello everyone, how is everybody doing today? Happy New Year. I know it's been a while, guys. Like I don't even know what to say. I don't know if I should apologize or I should just tell you guys that I took a break. I don't know what to say, but anyways, I am back right now. How did you guys enjoy your Christmas and New Year? How was it? Let me know in the comment section below. So today's video is just going to be about this hair. So this is my younger sister, if you don't already know. Her name is Marvelous. If you have been watching like our vlogs, you already know that, or you have maybe probably seen her like a couple of times on my channel. So yeah, so today she just decided to make her hair, and this is her first time of using a colored hair. That's to braid, for braiding, since she started making this particular hair, because she cut her hair, she barbed her hair. So this is the first time she's using a colored hair, and she's going all out for it. She's going all out for it, and she's using pink color. So yeah, and her hair is natural, like you can see. So the first thing we did before braiding her hair was just to wash the hair with shampoo and conditioner, and then we didn't really dry the hair because we wanted the hair to be moist. You know, natural hair, when the hair is moist, when there's little water on the hair, it tends to be so soft than when it's just totally dry. So to get the best out of like a natural hair, is either you totally blow dry it, like make it so straightening, or you leave it when it's moist, like when it's damp. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean, when there's water on it. So that's the only way, these two forms, that's the only way you can, you know, get access to like a natural hair, or to box braid or style a natural hair properly. So yeah, at this point we just made it moist, like after washing we did not dry it, so we're just braiding it like that. There's still like water a little bit, just a little bit in it. So yeah, we just dried it with like a towel and then started braiding it. But at a point when it became so dry, we decided to use hand dryer to just blow dry it very well, so that it can straighten, because of the tip of the hair. Her tip is so thick and it's not really blending with the whole braiding. So that's why we decided to do that at a point when the hair was really dry. So moving on, the attachment we are using, or the extension we are using, is Xpression extension, and we are using like a rich braid, and this color is in color pink, I think. So yeah, this one was sent to me anyways. This is color pink. I decided to cut the attachment into cut 5. The only mistake we did was to pick or fade out the tips of the attachment, and it didn't make the hair come out really well the way we wanted. So I would advise you guys not to, you know, pick the tips or fade out the tip of the extension. And for this we use just one pack of the attachment. Okay, for the hair to be really full, we decided to just part it like this, like freestyle packing or freestyle parting. We didn't want to do like the box parting. I don't know why I'm calling packing. We didn't want to do like the box parting because it's going to make the hair so scanty. So to make the hair to be very full, we decided to do like the freestyle parting. That's parting it before styling or braiding it, just the freestyle. So this will only make the hair look so full. But if you want the hair to just be, you know, scanty a little bit, you do like the box, you know, but it will really give that coils, that full coils that you want, or it will not really give us that full coils that we want. So that's why we decided to do the freestyle pattern. And for the box braid, we are not braiding to the tip, just from the root of her hair down to like the tip of her hair, just a little bit above the tip of her hair, just so that in case if it tends to lose, it will lose down to the tip of her hair. So yeah, that's what we are doing. For the tip of the hair, or the tip of the extension, we are going to still coil it. And this coiling, it's different actually, so just watch the video to the end so that you see how we coil the hair. All right, at this point I'm just going to allow you guys to watch until, or up until, we're about to coil the hair. And like I told you guys already, we didn't use a lot of attachment or extension, so that's why it's looking like this. But if you want the hair to be really full, you can use like 2 packs of the extension, and it's going to give you like a full, you know, this full nature of hair. So yeah, and that's why you can also see like her hair, you know, budging out of the box braids. So at this point, I'm putting the hair into like hot water first before I go ahead to coil the hair. Just the tip of the hair, and then any other part of the hair that is paining her, we just press it with towel. Like use towel to just, you know, towel and hot water to just press it, just so that the, you know, the tightness or the pressure can be released a little bit. After putting all the hairs into hot water, I'm just, you know, sectioning the hairs into like 2 different portions. So now I'm going to be coiling the hair bit by bit. This is because of the kind of coils I want to achieve. So I'm going to start at the back, then before, you know, bring it over to the front, gradually to the very front of our hair. And for coiling, I'm using this local coiler. So I got this for like about 2,500. I just recently got it because most of my clients have been requesting that I get it. They prefer the coiler, like this coiler, this local coiler, to like the normal threading and those other styles. There's another one that is even trending right now, so I'm going to also film that as well. So yeah, I got this for 2,500, like I said before. And at this point, I'm just going to allow you guys to watch. And to coil is just similar to when you are coiling human hair. It's almost the same thing, just that this one you have to use hot water. Like after coiling, you dip it into hot water and then bring it out. It's actually pretty simple to use. That's the coiler. It's really simple to use. There's no difficulty in using it. It's just that you might probably need a helping hand while you are doing this, because like you can see my girl Mary, you already know her, she's holding the hot water while I am busy coiling. Like I'll coil it, then she'll bring the hot water, I'll dip it inside the hot water, bring it out, and then use towel to like reduce the hotness and also the water that comes out from the extension. So yeah, that's pretty much, it's very easy. So I'll be doing this. You can decide to leave the coils like this or decide to unravel it, but I'm still just going to unravel it for you guys to see. And looking at it right now, it's so fine, like really fine. So yeah, I'll still unravel it so that you guys will get to see what the finished look looks like. Oh yeah, this is what the finished look like. And this is what the front looks like as well. This is so fine. So like I said before, I would prefer, if you want to try this hairstyle, I would advise you to not fade out the tip of the hair, just so that the tips can also be thick as well. All right, so yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Hope you like the hairstyle. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a big thumbs up. You can decide to share the video. Show some love, guys. Share the video to friends and family. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.